Here are 10 things Jamaicans are famously not afraid to do, even when people from many other countries would hesitate, overthink, or avoid it altogether. This isn't bravado for show. It's rooted in history, resilience, humor, and a strong sense of self. You ready to hear? Okay, let's go. 1. Speak their mind to anybody. Jamaicans will speak plainly to anybody. Boss, politician, elder, stranger, or friend. Titles don't intimidate. Respect is expected, but silence out of fear is not part of the culture. 2. Laugh in hard times. While many cultures retreat into quiet stress, Jamaicans will crack jokes in the middle of hardship. Laughter isn't denial, it's survival. Even during struggle, humor keeps the spirit from breaking. 3. Challenge authority publicly. If something feels wrong, Jamaicans are not afraid to say it out loud. They question decisions, criticize leadership, and debate openly, whether in a taxi, at a shop, or on the roadside. 4. Talk openly about death. Death isn't treated as a forbidden topic. Jamaicans discuss funerals, burials, spirits, and the afterlife openly, sometimes with humor, sometimes with deep reverence, but rarely with fear. 5. Correct someone older than them. Age alone doesn't guarantee being right. Jamaicans will respectfully, or not so respectfully, correct elders if something doesn't add up. Wisdom matters more than years. 6. Dance anywhere, anytime. Bus stop, roadside, supermarket, party, funeral repast. If music plays, movement follows. Jamaicans don't wait for permission to express joy through their bodies. 7. Turn strangers into family. Many cultures keep distance. Jamaicans will invite you into conversation, offer food, share life stories, and claim you as family within minutes, especially if you show respect. 8. Mix sacred and everyday life. Prayer in the morning, jokes at noon, church on Sunday, dance all later, no strict compartmentalizing. Faith, humor, struggle, and celebration coexist naturally. 9. Make something out of nothing. When resources are limited, creativity explodes. Jamaicans are not afraid to improvise solutions, reuse materials, start businesses with almost nothing, and figure it out as they go. 10. Be themselves without apology. Accents, fashion, opinions, spirituality, boldness. Jamaicans don't dilute themselves to make others comfortable. Authenticity is worn loudly, proudly, and unapologetically. Jamaicans aren't fearless because life is easy. They're fearless because life has taught them fear alone doesn't solve anything. Ha ha ha. Guys, please to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Guess what? It's free. Ha ha ha. Thank you.